Welcome. Today we'll find the exact value of the inverse cosine of -1, written as cos inverse of -1. But first, let's understand what inverse cosine means. The inverse cosine function, also called arccos, essentially undoes what the cosine function does. For example, if cosine of an angle equals -1, then the inverse cosine of -1 equals that original angle. Let's visualize this using the unit circle. The unit circle has a radius of 1 and is centered at the origin. For any angle theta, the cosine value is the x-coordinate of the point where the angle's terminal side intersects the unit circle. When the terminal side of an angle points left, making a 180-degree angle with the positive x-axis, the x-coordinate is -1. Therefore, cosine of 180 degrees equals -1. Therefore, when we take the inverse cosine of -1, we're asking, what angle has a cosine of -1? And we can now see that this angle is 180 degrees, or pi radians. It's important to note that the inverse cosine function is only defined for inputs between -1 and 1 inclusive, and it always gives angles between 0 and 180 degrees, or 0 and pi radians. So to summarize, the inverse cosine of -1 equals 180 degrees or pi radians, because this is the angle in the standard position, whose cosine equals -1. You can verify this answer by taking the cosine of 180 degrees on your calculator, which will give you -1.